I'm going to talk about one of the most exciting topics in science and space, how we can detect signs of intelligent life that are light years away. We'll delve into the findings of a new UC Riverside study and explore the potential impacts of these discoveries on future explorations. The search for life in space has been one of the greatest curiosities of scientists for decades. Throughout history, humans have questioned whether intelligent life forms exist elsewhere in the universe. In this context, a new study from UC Riverside suggests that artificial greenhouse gases could be signs of a terraformed planet. Terraforming refers to the process of engineering a planet to make it habitable for life. Understanding this process can help us detect potential life forms in other star systems. A terraformed planet is one that has been artificially made hospitable for life. The gases discussed in this study could be detectable even at relatively low concentrations in the atmospheres of planets outside our solar system using current technology. This includes the James Webb Space Telescope or a future European-led space telescope concept. The James Webb Space Telescope is one of the most advanced telescopes designed to explore the depths of the universe. Webb, operating in the infrared light spectrum, can observe the formation of stars and planets, the evolution of galaxies, and the earliest periods of the universe. This telescope, with its ability to detect gases in planetary atmospheres, can potentially identify planets that might harbor life. Now we know that such pollutant gases need to be controlled on Earth to prevent harmful climate effects. However, on an exoplanet, these gases might be used intentionally. UCR astrobiologist and lead study author Edward Schwieterman says, "For us, these gases are bad because we don't want to increase warming, but they'd be good for a civilization that perhaps wanted to forestall an impending ice age or terraform an otherwise uninhabitable planet in their system, as humans have proposed for Mars." Hesse gases are not known to occur in significant quantities in nature and thus must be manufactured. Therefore, finding them would be a sign of intelligent, technology-using life forms. Such signs are called technosignatures. Technosignatures are technological imprints that indicate the presence of intelligent life forms. These imprints can be seen in a planet's atmosphere, on its surface, or within the electromagnetic spectrum. The 5 gases proposed by researchers are used on Earth in industrial applications such as making computer chips. They include fluorinated versions of methane, ethane, and propane, along with gases made of nitrogen and fluorine or sulfur and fluorine. A new astrophysical journal paper details their merits as terraforming gases. One advantage of these gases is that they are incredibly effective greenhouse gases. For example, sulfur hexafluoride has 23,500 times the warming power of carbon dioxide. A relatively small amount could heat a freezing planet to the point where liquid water could persist on its surface. Liquid water is essential for the existence of life, and thus finding it on a planet's surface is a significant clue. Another advantage, at least from an alien point of view, is that these gases are exceptionally long-lived and would persist in an Earth-like atmosphere for up to 50,000 years. They wouldn't need to be replenished too often for a hospitable climate to be maintained, Schwieterman says. The long lifespan of these gases means they wouldn't need to be continually produced to stabilize the planet's climate. This is a significant advantage for maintaining a technologically advanced civilization. Some have proposed refrigerant chemicals, like CFCs, as technosignature gases because they are almost exclusively artificial and visible in Earth's atmosphere. However, CFCs may not be advantageous because they destroy the ozone layer, unlike the fully fluorinated gases discussed in the new paper, which are chemically inert. Schwieterman notes, "If another civilization had an oxygen-rich atmosphere, they'd also have an ozone layer they'd want to protect. CFCs would be broken apart in the ozone layer even as they catalyzed its destruction. CFCs are also short-lived because they break apart more easily, making them harder to detect. The ozone layer is a crucial shield that protects a planet's surface from harmful ultraviolet rays. Preserving the ozone layer is vital for the continuity of life. The team also evaluated the LIFE mission's ability to detect fluorinated gases. The LIFE mission would use infrared light to directly image planets, allowing it to target more exoplanets than the Webb telescope, which looks at planets as they pass in front of their stars. LIFE, Large Interferometer for Exoplanets, is seen as a prototype for future space-based telescopes and can analyze planetary atmospheres using direct imaging techniques. This study was conducted in collaboration with Daniel Angerhausen at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Planets and researchers at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, the Blue Marble Space Institute of Science, and Paris University. Such international collaborations enrich scientific research by bringing together contributions from scientists and engineers from different countries. Researchers cannot quantify the likelihood of finding these gases in the near future, but they are confident that, if present, it is entirely possible to detect them during currently planned missions to characterize planetary atmospheres. Schwieterman states, "You wouldn't need extra effort to look for these technosignatures if your telescope is already characterizing the planet for other reasons, and it would be jaw-droppingly amazing to find them." Other team members share not only enthusiasm for the potential of finding signs of intelligent life, but also excitement about how much closer current technology has brought us to that goal. Our thought experiment shows how powerful our next-generation telescopes will be. We are the first generation in history with the technology to systematically look for life and intelligence in our galactic neighborhood, adds Angerhausen. The search for life in space has been one of humanity's greatest curiosities throughout history. Ancient Greek philosophers debated whether life existed elsewhere in the universe. However, modern science and technology have allowed us to approach this question more scientifically and systematically. Space exploration gained significant momentum, particularly from the mid-20th century onwards. In the 1950s, developments in radio astronomy led to the launch of projects like SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. These projects aim to scan the universe using radio waves to find intelligent life forms. Renowned scientists like Carl Sagan emphasized the importance of such projects. Sagan believed that life could be widespread in the universe and thus supported the idea of searching for intelligent life in the depths of space. The James Webb Space Telescope stands as the latest technological marvel in this quest. Webb, designed as the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, operates in the infrared light spectrum, allowing it to observe the farthest reaches of the universe. It can study the formation of stars and planets, the evolution of galaxies, and the earliest periods of the universe. Additionally, Webb's ability to detect gases in planetary atmospheres can help identify planets that might harbor life. Besides Webb, future missions like the LIFE mission are also on the horizon. These projects, using direct imaging techniques, can analyze planetary atmospheres and provide more definitive clues about the presence of intelligent life forms. Many renowned scientists emphasize the importance of the search for life in space. Astrophysicist Michio Kaku highlights that with advancing technology, our chances of finding intelligent life forms in the universe are increasing. Kaku says, "We are the first generation with the technology to systematically look for life and intelligence in our galactic neighborhood. This is a unique period in human history." Carl Sagan, who advocated for the idea that life could be widespread in the universe, famously said, "If we are alone in the universe, it would be a tremendous waste of space." Sagan's words underscore the significance of the search for life in the universe. Future potential discoveries will not be limited to technological advancements alone. Our scientific understanding will also need to deepen. To better understand the atmospheres and surfaces of planets, multidisciplinary approaches will be required. Collaborations between fields like chemistry, biology, physics, and astronomy are crucial for the success of such research. Future space telescopes will have higher resolution and the ability to observe a broader spectrum. This will enable the detection of small and subtle details that were previously undetectable. For instance, projects like the LIFE mission can detect minor changes on the surfaces and atmospheres of planets and analyze the possible causes of these changes. Additionally, ground-based telescopes are also making significant advancements. Telescopes equipped with adaptive optics technology can reduce the effects of atmospheric distortions, resulting in clearer and sharper images. These technologies allow us to study planetary atmospheres and surfaces in greater detail. Space research is often conducted through international collaborations. These collaborations bring together contributions from scientists and engineers from different countries. International collaborations enhance scientific research by providing a broader perspective and enriching it with contributions from various disciplines. For example, the UC Riverside study was conducted in collaboration with researchers from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology Planet S, NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center, the Blue Marble Space Institute of Science, and Paris University. Such collaborations accelerate scientific discoveries and allow for more comprehensive research. Furthermore, the collaboration of scientists from different cultures and disciplines fosters creative and innovative solutions. The search for life in space is of great significance to humanity. This search not only aims to find potential intelligent life forms in the universe, but also contributes to a better understanding of our own planet and the universe. The UC Riverside study provides a new perspective on the search for intelligent life by suggesting that artificial greenhouse gases could be signs of a terraformed planet. The James Webb Space Telescope and missions like the LIFE project will have the capacity to detect such gases in the future. This could provide more concrete evidence of the existence of intelligent life forms in the universe. Additionally, technological advancements and international collaborations are crucial factors that will enhance the success of such research. In conclusion, the search for life in space continues with the collective efforts of scientists and engineers. Future discoveries will help us understand our place in the universe and the existence of intelligent life forms. On this exciting journey, we hope to push the boundaries of science and technology and unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.